Hey, to change YouTube password, all you have to do is just to click on the right upper corner on your account, and then from here go to the settings. Now from here you will have to move into the Google account to view or change your Google account settings, and now go into the security. From here just scroll down and pick this option, password. From here you will have to enter your current password just to confirm, and input your password. So that's how it looks in my case, and then click next. Now just wait for the loading screen, and from here we can actually get the new password. So we have to choose a strong password and don't refuse it for other accounts. I mean, don't reuse. And we may be seeing out of our accounts on some devices when we change the password. So you will, if you have the same account on your PC and on your smartphone, when you change the password, for example, on your PC, you will be logged out of your smartphone, so you'll have to use the same password to log in. So give it the new password. As you can see, in my case, it's actually not strong enough, so I have to mix of the letter, number, and the symbols. So I'm gonna do this one more time. And below with the same password. And then click to change the password. Also, we've got the information that you will be signed out of these devices, so that's how it looks in my case. I have to click to change the password. There we go, and that's basically it. Now when you refresh the website, you can actually find information of your password. It was last changed this time. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.